Gina from WTI. I'm always looking to incorporate more vegetables and fruit into my diet. That's why I'm so happy that I have these Power Reds and Greens from 4Core Fitness. If you're like me and have tried other powdered supplements that have fruits and veggies in them, then you know that sometimes they can just be really gritty and terrible tasting. That is not the case with these ones from 4Core Fitness. It has a really natural taste that's definitely fruit forward. It mixes together really smoothly so there's no clumping or grainy bits that are going to get stuck in your throat. And even though it's sweetened with stevia, it doesn't give you that weird stevia aftertaste that some products do. This powder has exactly the kind of ingredients that I'm looking for when I want to supplement my diet. Not only does it have nutrient-dense superfoods, but it also has immune boosting and cleansing properties, among other things. And I do feel that it gives me some extra energy before I work out. I really like mixing mine with water because it helps to up my intake. But it also tastes really good in a smoothie. I like to make it with some of my fresh made almond milk, a frozen banana, some berries, and a scoop of protein powder. Some fruit and veggie powdered supplements that I've tried in the past have made my stomach hurt, but I'm so pleased that this one does not. I definitely feel like I'm doing something good for myself by having a scoop of this every single day. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.